Hello. Okay, so the task is gonna be for this project, 25 South Avenue, Double Bay, and I'm gonna supply also provide another file, which is 36 Bishop Street. For two files, I have the PDF set, just printed, like published from AutoCAD, and I will go through the changes we need to get done or final annotations. And then this is the sample project, though this one is for a construction certificate, but it's just a small renovation of a house, and it can be, yeah, quite similar, right? Okay, so let's get started. um, Task number one, split sleep no sorry, that would be split instead of sleep. Split section 221 into two different pages. Okay, so in here we have, these are the sections, and we need to have this section in a different page, in the center of the page, and this one in center in the page. In this is 211, sorry, this is 211, it should be this one in, so this is 221 in a new page called 221. So just copy this page in the new page, in the new layout, and have that section. Then number all windows and doors and prepare window schedule. Okay, this is our template for a window schedule. This is like a table template, and the only thing we need to do is list the windows and put them external windows. We don't need to bother about internal doors, all the external windows, and we don't need to bother also how do they open. Only the rectangle. At this point, only the rectangle, and we need to give them a name, give them a location, east, west. Shading, we just leave it blank. Area is very important, and the area have to be from the outer side of the frame for every window. And then glazing, requirements, seals, and notes, all this we leave it blank. So only area and only location. So we can copy. I'm gonna show you now from the file, and I will explain in another video how the file works. Okay, so this one, okay, just going to copy, Control C. All right, and I'm going to go. This is the file for the 25 South Avenue. I'm going to paste with two original coordinates. Okay, so we have to work in here and make a presentation in here. Another thing we need to do on this square is to prepare a section, a ramp section. Okay, how? Let me see if that was the next one. Create new layout for the ramp. Yeah, it has to be at 1:20 at A1. So if we can do 1:40 at A3. So we create a new layout in here. It has to be called 300. The presentation will be A301. Is that correct? You can check it in the index. The run waste management driveway section, A300. Okay, 1:20 at 81, which is the same, 1:20 at A3. Now, so we go to AutoCAD, and this is a requirement of Woollahra Council. They want to see this section at 1:20. Yeah. So basically, we can just copy this. Normally, I use this insertion point very strictly. So if I move this one, I just copy exactly from the same position. Okay, and you see that we have all this stuff that we don't need it at the moment. Okay, so it's now in position. Okay, and we don't need also this, which is the neighbor, the other building. So now we need to add a bit of detail. So we give the thickness of the slab maybe 150, and we, yeah, and instead of this green ugly hatch, which is mandatory in Woollahra Council because it represents concrete, we give like a concrete hatch, and that's it. So Woollahra Council needs to know this, and probably we need to do leave a space in the page to do a front one, but that we don't need to worry today. Okay, so we prepare a layout for the section of the ramp. Maybe we're gonna show only something like this. I guess it only fit this part. Now, let's go to our document. Color properly with the hatch of the pattern. Okay. This one, okay, go through it. It's okay. This one I'm gonna do it quickly now, so we don't need to worry about this one. Yeah, move a bit all the viewports. Yeah, this will be a bit tedious, but we need to get it done. So let's go here in our presentation. Okay. So what we need to do with every page is, let's say that we move the viewport by, let's say, 50. No, 50 is too much. That was 40, and that was 30, and that was 20. Yeah, 20 is fine. And then we move this into here. Okay, and the reason is because this is more like a more interesting part that we need to show. So basically we need to show this line. So we move the every viewport 20 that way. 20. Okay, and then we move the viewport so we align with the dash line, and we align this one that in there is good. Yeah. Okay, so that with all the viewports. And give me 1 second just to check if anything else. Okay, and then the site analysis. Okay, so if we go to the Bishop Street, this file, as you can see, okay, we have the index and then we have the site analysis. Basically, this one is just to show where are the sun access and views and stuff like that. So if we go, this layout is already prepared in AutoCAD. So basically, we need to copy these icons in here. So we have the street access is here, street access, and pedestrian access on the existing property is here. Now the north is this way, so we can have we have the east and the west, so we can turn around the sun, and we can copy and paste these icons from Bishop Street, showing where are the. So if you copy these suns with the north, then you rotate the north as with same with the other project. Just you have it here. This 1, 2, 3, and then we can put it in the layout. Then we have some other icons like noise, axis is this icon. What other icons we have? We need to put all of them. Views, views are in this project in here from the top level. So maybe we add a bit of text saying from top level. Then we have potential view privacy issues. Yes, we have some privacy issues here, so we just put some arrows. Yeah. And fall, and this icon here is an icon that we can just put big, and the fall I think goes this way. You can check on the survey, and then that's it. Then this I will fill it up later on, and I put some images later on. So it's basically just copy those icons. Then to finalize, we need to do the waste management and water management. So this is the waste management. So here are the icons, but the only thing we need to do is to create filtered pit, one of these. We create one in here, and we put the down pipes. We just create new down pipes. I mean, I'm mixing waste management and water management because this should show in both. Down pipe should show in both. So we just do the down pipe, it is one. We should put one here. And And let me go to the waste management. This is the shadow diagram. This is waste management. This is concept drainage plan. Okay, so one would be here. So we have water coming from here into this point, and another one we're gonna have it here, and another one we're gonna have it here, and another one we're gonna have it here. Yeah. So then we show with arrows that the water will do like that, because it's a special roof. Yeah. Yeah, something like this. And then yeah, that's all we show. I'm going, yeah, that's okay. But we need to do, yeah, we use normally this slope, and we measure the slope from the section. What is the slope of this? As a reference, you can see this one. This is the hydraulic plan, and it gives, yeah, the full 90 degrees or whatever, full 15 degrees. No, see. Then we have the down pipes. We have this purple thing at the gutters, and the gutters in our case is this one, this symbol here, goes inside, goes actually in here. These are the gutters, goes hidden behind a parapet. Okay, so that's why the arrow. Yeah, so we prepare the waste management plan and the waste management plan and water management plan, and I'm just gonna go again to the waste management plan, which by the way we have to replace this plan for the basement plan. And the basement, yeah, because the waste, the rubbish bins are going to be in the ground floor. This is the rubbish bin area. So basically we're gonna color code this, and we're gonna do a line which is very stupid but to here. So then we're gonna have the rubbish bin here, and we show the path of collection. That's all. That's all. Yeah. And then we're gonna have a circle and a rectangle here. We're gonna say that these are the stockpiles. No, if I go to the waste management plan in this plan, which is at the end, student services, yeah, you see this very undisturbed area, disturbed area. Undisturbed area is where we're not doing anything. So in our case will be all the landscape except at the front, and disturbed area will be the house. You see, like this will be the house, and this was we keep it as it was. So this is undisturbed. And then the path to collection point, seed barrier and hoarding. Hoarding we're gonna put normally goes at the front of the property, and sealed barrier goes, yeah, because it's underground is irrelevant, and we need to do like an icon like that. So you can copy from this file and paste it there. You see, like stock pipes, very simple. And we need to show the dump pipes. So where are the waste management plan and water management plan? Here. This is 36. Yeah, so okay, so I'm sorry, yeah, I was going to the model. So basically you have the floor plans are this column here. This is roof plan. This is the roof plan. This is the first floor plan. This is the ground floor plan. This is the basement plan. And then all these are the same, only that rotated. And the reason is because in here we have the elevations, and it's just easy to copy from the rotated ones. But the important ones is this column. This is the main column. Then we have the sections, section 1 and section 2. And then in here 500 we have the roof plan for the concept drainage plan. So that's misspelled. And waste management plan, we should copy here the just do like this and copy the basement plan, as simple as this. See? If we would have done any work, we should just hide the layer of the waste management plan, and then delete everything, just copy the architectural and turn on the the layer of waste management plan, then it's done. Yeah, so these ones are irrelevant at the moment, or actually we can just put them later on in a gray hatch instead of this. Yeah, something like this, and just will be very generic. And then we can also remove some of the yeah, these ones, yeah, these ones, and this one. Okay, that's all we need. So we can do the waste management plan here. So remember the rubbish bins, we copy them here, we put the hatch, etc. Now, how do you do the waste management plan in the concept drainage plan? In here are all the legends that are triggering the layouts, and you just, to make it easy, just copy the hydraulic legend. You have hydraulic, HVAC, in here you have electrical, lighting, and then in here you have a waste management legend, and then you have site analysis. So you can copy also this one, copy them here. That would be the easy thing. And then you copy this one, and then you copy this one, and you just copy the icons now and start doing that. Will be very fast. You know, like copy the down pipes and doing this for you. Copy where we were talking that one was here, another one was here, another one was here, and another one was here, right? Yeah. So and then we copy the gutters. The gutters, have in mind that they stretch. Sorry, the icon has a thing that we can vary, and then we just adjust the hatch. Okay, and that's it. Thank you. Good luck.